Hello, welcome back. In this video we will add health bar to our game, and health will be decreased on collision of each this hurdle, and player will get health after eating this fruit. Okay, so how we'll do that? We already have some sprites I have imported for health bar, so we can use these sprites for our health bar. So I will add one image to our canvas. Okay, first of all, so here is our canvas. So we will add one image element from UI and then image. Okay, so now we will adjust our screen like this, and then we can place this image to our desired area. Then we can drag this health bar background to this source image. Okay, now our health bar background is ready, so we can adjust this background like this, and then we can set its position. After setting up its position, we can anchor this health bar to top center. Okay, this is very important. This is for a mobile Android mobile scaling purpose. For example, if we scale our game, you can see health bar is also scaling by screen size. Okay, so it's very important for anchoring to anchor our elements within the canvas for mobile responsiveness. Okay, so after this we will rename this image to background. We can say it health background, and then we will add one more image on this health bar background. Okay, like this. So in this image we will add this fill health bar material, and we will adjust the size of this overlapped image by scaling it down to some extent. You can see like this, I think, and then we can adjust this fill type like this. Also we can add some color like this. I think we should add some green color maybe. Yeah, what we can do, we can add some green color, and for health bar background we can add some reddish color. Okay, like this. That will be good, I think. So now this image, we can rename this image to health bar, and then we can change its type from here. Okay, image type to first we will preserve the aspect. Okay, and it's important for this one background also, so I missed this step, so I again repeated this preserve aspect step, and then we can do like this. Now it's fine, and yeah, now we can select our health bar, and we can adjust our health bar on our background. Yeah, now it's fine, I think. So after this, what we'll do, we will select our health bar and we will change image type to filled. Okay, and after this type we will change this fill method to horizontal. So what will this step what we will get result from this step, if we decrease amount of fill amount, you can see health bar is moving. Okay, so it's very important. So in this script we will add script for this fill amount. So when we lose when our player lose health, the health bar will decrease, and vice versa. Okay, so we will save our health bar. Also we can create one heart here, so we can add some image, and we can drag this heart here, and then we can do it like this. Okay, we will adjust its position, its size actually, and then we can place this heart like this, I think, maybe. Yeah, here it will be fine. Okay, so now our health bar is ready, and time to do some scripting. So we will go to our scripts, and then first of all what we will do, we will create one script for our script bar. Okay, so we can say health bar script, and one script we will add for lose health. Okay, so we can name it lose health, and one more script we will add for gain health. Okay, so create one script and we can say it gain health. So now we will open this health bar script and start our scripting. So in this script, first of all we will import one library for Unity Engine UI, because we will work on UI, and then we will assign some variables first of all. So on the top of this, after this class function, we will assign some variables to our script. So I already have copied these variables, so you can see one variable we will add for image health bar, the other is a float number 100F, which will be our total health. Okay, 100 health we have, so maximum health float equal to 100F, and then we will create one static variable and assign it to public, and then it's also a float number, and we named it as health. Okay, so after this we will add some code in our start function and in our update function. Okay, so what we will do, so paste my health bar code here. So now you can see we have two functions. On start, health bar will get component from image and health equal to maximum health. Okay, so initially we will have maximum health 100%. Okay, and after that void update. So what this function will do, this function will get health slash maximum health. Okay, what it means that health bar dot fill amount equal to fill amount, this fill amount of that image is equal to health, total health, gained health. This is gained health. Okay, the current position of health divided by my maximum health. So this function will decrease or increase our health on collision. Okay, so we can save this script, and also now we will add code to our lose health script now. So we will open the script in our we will add void on trigger enter function. So I will paste this code, and here we will say that on trigger enter collider other, we already have discussed this one, this thing, and then it will get health bar script dot health. So it will take health from health bar script. Okay, in our case we have health bar script name, but H is from this smaller letter. Okay, so now it's detect this script, and then it takes health from that script. Okay, so minus equal to 20F. So if collision will happen, it will decrease health to 20 degrees. Okay, so we can change this to 10 degree, no problem. So whatever you want. Okay, in your case. So I will just save the script, and then we will move to Unity, and what we will do now, we will add some collider for our player. Okay, one more thing we had to do with player. First of all, if you run the game, you can see the movement of player are too sharp. Okay, too much movement, so which we don't need, and it will confuse the player while playing the game. Okay, on mobile phone. So we'll decrease these movements by clicking on this player, and then we'll move to here we will find moving turn speed. We'll just make it to something like 60, and this one 30. Okay, now it will be fine in our mobile Android mobile as well. So now after this, in player section, one more thing we will do, we will uncheck this gravity. Okay, and after this gravity unchecking, we will collision detection, we will change it to continuous. Okay, so after this we will this is most important thing. Okay, for player, so you have to do this. So we'll check that. Now again it's fine. Okay, that's good. Now what we will do, we'll just add some colliders. Okay, so just I have clicked on this, I will tab F for focusing our player, and then I will add some boxes here. Okay, just for testing purpose. So create, and then 3D object and cube. I have created this cube, and then we can make this cube a little bit bigger, and like this. And now we can enable is trigger, because is trigger should be enabled for working with triggers. Okay, so after this we will add this lose health script to this box collider. Okay, lose health script contains of you can see contain of on trigger inter collider. Okay, so after that we will go to health bar. So health bar is here, so we can change this rename to hurt. Okay, so we will select health bar, and then we will add health bar script to this health bar. Okay, like this. So now if we play the game, you can see we have successfully enabled our health bar. Okay, and if we duplicate this box now, you will see that it will work perfectly. Oh, jump is too high. So you can see health bar is working fine. So jump power is too big, so we will select the player, and we will decrease this jump power to something 7 maybe, and we will recheck the game again. Yeah, that's actually jump power increases with that, because this is it's using physics. Okay, so this jump power increases with decrease in move speed. Yeah, so okay, I think that's fine. Jump power is fine. Now we will adjust this jump power later on, no problem. What we can do, we can increase this turn speed, I think, to something 90 and something 45. That will work fine maybe. Gravity, because we have no gravity, that's why he's jumping like this. Okay, so we will use gravity again. Let's see. Yeah, gravity is fine. Okay, so you should enable the gravity. It will add some real effect. So jump power we will move to 90 now, no problem. Sorry, 90, no, 9. Okay, and this one 30 and this one 60. That will work perfect now. Yes, so health bar is working. Now we will create one more script for gain health. Okay, and what we will do, we will just add the same code of this lose health to our gain health script here, and here we will just change this minus sign to plus sign. Okay, that's it. We will save this script again, and then we can, what we can do, we can test the script by selecting this cube, and we will delete this lose health script from here, and then we can add gain health script here. Okay, so now if we test our game, you can see lose and then gain. Okay, so we have successfully implemented our health bar, and it was very simple. And now in my case, I will definitely add some box colliders here with these hurdles, and will add lose health scripts to all of these hurdles, and then I will add gain health script to these fruits. Okay, so after adding that things, I will come back and we will do something new. Thank you very much.